Okay, let me show you. Man, this has taken a lot of time. Let me show you some photographers I like, or if I'm following, right? Let's see. There is Heath Seeger, one of the best guys I follow, right? Obviously, there is Peter McKinnon. Hopefully, everyone knows Peter McKinnon is one of the guys who inspired me into getting into photography, right? Obviously, there is that guy. He's really good. Then there is Chris Howe as well, really good photographer, right? And then there is Alan Pilander, man, one of the best, right? Then there is The Brightest Hour, that guy with Photoshop. It's just something else. His Photoshop level, something else. And then there is this guy I want to show you. What the wait. Obviously, here in South Africa, there is Cedric Nzaga, right? One of the best. Then there is who's the other guy? There's Malema, Austin Malema, right? One of the best as well. Photography wise, right? Even this guy, I'm not sure if it's a guy. This helper stem, it's like street photography type of thing. Man, I like those shots. Oh, there is this as well. This guy, Lucan Scouts. Jesus, man, his shots, something else, right? Nope. Samington is good with videos. The Brightest Hour. This guy, man, one of the best in the industry, right? Oh, and this guy as well. There's what, Cyril Practitioner. Man, his photoshops, right? Something else, right? And yes, it's Chris Heather, it's his name. Man, it's just something else. The level of Photoshop these guys are at is something else, right? Which is something I want to get into a lot, but I'm thinking it works much better with what, and Trevor Stuman as well. Trevor Stuman is one of the best. Obviously he's from around here, South Africa. It works best with what's this thing? It works best with an iPad. I want an iPad for editing, right? And a good laptop and all that, which is why I'm looking for a job, right? Just got a certificate recently, and then when I'm looking for jobs there, they say ask us they want 5 years minimum for what's this, for a junior entry level position, 5 years minimum. And those guys are just crazy. There's Brandon Wolf, one of the best. There's Drew, there's Sean Tucker, right? Just check the people I'm following. There's Watch Luke is good. There's Kai Bolt, this guy is from Germany, one of the best in terms of portraits and whatnot. Alan Pilander, obviously I've talked about him. Calop, Jesus, man, Photoshop is like these guys. This Russian Hopopiba, I'm not sure if that's written in Russian, because if that's Russian, it's Novoriva. If it's in Russian, I can read Russian. If you didn't know, well, some of it obviously I know the letters, I do not notes. Yeah, just there is the Biblecraft. That guy is one of the goats. Obviously sold this stuff for like $60 million in the NFT field. Like who is this now? Who's this? In the NFT sphere, right? And this guy I just found out as well, one of the best. Obviously, this video is getting long. It's like what now? 30 minutes. I think it's gonna like 2 parts, right? Obviously, that has been it. That has been it. So my thing is, let's talk in the next video, right? I just make these 2 parts. That's what I'm thinking. All right. Have a nice one. See you next week. Bye.